Hey everyone, this is Rick back with another video. Today I'm going to bring you Illuvium. Illuvium is a play to earn game built on the Ethereum network. I'm going to go straight into the trailer, and after we watch this, I'm going to go in and discuss price action and how much money can I make and how quickly will it take to reach my target and how do I buy it and sell it and so on and so forth. Okay, that's pretty impressive. And, hands down, give the guys credit to this. This project is absolutely awesome. I mean, really awesome. This from day one, from the minute they launched their token, I was already, I got in around about $70 originally when this was made available. And the trailer was there and I thought, wow, this is just incredible. But I didn't see too much happening, and now it's all unraveling and the partnerships they have and the discussion, the app that they're going to bring, everything, just the whole thing is amazing. And I really, fair credits to everybody involved in this project. Now, not only does it look incredible, the gameplay looks phenomenal. The team behind it have absolutely all the credentials necessary to make this an achievable and successful game. The tokenomics are really good, and the supply is fixed. There's only 10 million Illuvium tokens available on ever. And the only way to purchase these alluvial creatures to fight with, because you use these creatures to fight and battle with other people who are also battling, and the winner wins ETH, hence fight for ETH. So this is a play to earn game where you can actually win money. Pretty awesome. Quit your job, stay home, play games, and rake in the bags. Pretty awesome. What an incredible time to be alive. Now, look, let's go straight in to the first things first, right? Let's just talk about the price, where it is and where it's going. And is this something to keep on your radar, or do you think you're too late to get in? And or is it now is a great time? I'm going to answer all these things in the video. So just let's go straight to here. Now, as you see right now, the price is, $731. And as I mentioned earlier, the supply is 10 million. So there's only 10 million of these babies here. That's it. And the market cap is 465 billion. Million. I'm sure it will get to the billion soon, sooner rather than later. Now, right now, $465 million market cap is relatively small, considering that if you take in consideration like the gaming industry in general. Now, I would like to compare this to Axie Infinity when it comes down to market cap size. So we're going to go from market cap, 465 million, and then we're going to go to Axie Infinity, market cap, 7.9 billion. Now, this is also a play to earn game. It's ranked number 25 on CoinGecko. This is ranked 168 on CoinGecko. So there's a lot of room for this one to grow. The difference between the two is Axie Infinity's game is out. People are playing it. People are making money. There are people in Southeast Asia that do this as a full-time job. This is their full-time career. They use scholarship programs in order to play Axies, battle them, earn 60% of the SLP, which is the utility token for the game, in order to breed your Axies. And yeah, there's actually, like, you can go and I might put some links in the description of the video below. You can check it out. You can see all the hype about this game. You know, it's so taboo. I mean, China have banned it. I mean, they're trying to ban and get on top of all these kind of things, but there are some places in Southeast Asia that are actually taking complete advantage over this. And so they should. So everybody should. Times are, with all this COVID and everything going on, people want to be able to stay in and earn money. This is just another way of hustling. Just a lot of people don't know about it yet. This is why it's so early stages. If somebody told you, hey, you could stay at home, play games, and earn money and make more money than the average salary, then, and if you're working an average salary, I mean, why the hell would you do a boring job 9 to 5 when you could stay at home, play games, and earn a higher salary than what you're currently getting paid for at the moment? Right? Have a think about that. So where can I buy it, and when would I sell it to make a profit, or how can I play the game and earn money? Let's go first of all. Where can I buy it? You can buy it on Binance. Binance is a centralized exchange. Depending on the country that you live in, you might have to use a VPN to get access to it. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange available, and it's very easy to be able to purchase crypto. You just pass your KYC and you just buy the cryptocurrency, and you can either use Bitcoin, USDT, or BNB, and so on, to purchase your ILV token. Once you've purchased your ILV token, it will appear in your wallet that will be in your Binance account, and that's it. You can. It's not advised to just keep your crypto on an exchange, but if you're just getting your feet wet, it's not a bad place to keep it, is for a short-term flip if you wanted to sell this, within a year and make a profit, or if you just wanted to just hold it. Binance is a pretty secure exchange, to be honest. So anyway, the other things you can do is, once you have it on your Binance account, you can actually there's another wallet called Metamask Wallet, which I'll put this link in the description below this video. And Metamask is just a Chrome browser extension that is like it's like a thing like this, but it has a fox on it. You download it. I'll just show you right now. Metamask wallet. You just literally you type it into Google. It would be this one here. I will put the official link in the description below so you can navigate to the correct one and you don't go to some random scam page. And this is it, MetaMask. You just download it. You write down your passphrase. It's probably a 24-word recovery phrase. You write down your password and everything, and then you pin it to your Chrome browser at the top here, and then you're good as gold. You'll get an address, and what you'll do is you'll basically send crypto from your Binance account, and you send it over through the ERC20 network to your MetaMask. Once your crypto is in your MetaMask wallet, which is, I believe, a little bit safer than keeping it on the exchange, you can then go to Illuvium staking, and you can stake your asset on to the core pool, and what you connected your MetaMask wallet, and you can earn a passive income on top of the asset you're holding. So I did this, and I'm already accumulating a passive income. which is currently being paid to me in ILV tokens. So I delegate my asset to the staking pool, and then they will return me a passive income for delegating my assets to the staking pools on the Illuvium staking core pool. And investing, this basically means that you can lock your assets for 12 months. You'd get a higher APY, which is a annual percentage yield, or you can have a flexible withdraw, which means that you can withdraw your asset anytime from the staking pool, but the APY that you'd receive, your rewards would be a little bit less than if you were to delegate your assets for a longer period of time. I did it for a longer period of time because I want to maximize the APY, and also I don't want to freak out and sell my asset in case there was any fluctuations on the price. So I've locked mine in. Now, once you have once the game is launched, which it hasn't been launched yet, you will actually be able to purchase these NFTs. You can buy these monsters and fight them, and you can battle them within the game, and you can actually earn Ethereum and SILV, I believe, which is the game utility token. And this basically means that you can actually earn a passive income with this game. On top of that, if you own the alluvial creatures, which is like this bad boy here, this basically means that that NFT would be yours. It's out of circulation within the game. You own it. There will be no other ones. There will be one of these unique NFTs, and there will not be another one that will be similar to the one that you've bought. So it does have that value to it, and they do increase in value over time. And for those that don't know what an NFT is, it's a non-fungible token, and it basically means that it's. I'll make another video to go over what NFTs are in further detail. This video is not actually for that. So this is a really, really awesome project to keep your eye on. So I wanted to compare the ILV token of where it is right now and where I believe it's going to get to. So I could answer the question whether you think it's a good time to buy right now, and when would I be looking to flip it and make a profit. So currently it's obviously $729 with this market cap here, and Axie Infinity is at a market cap of 7.9 billion. And what I do is I use this. So this, I basically can work out what the ILV token would be like if it had a similar market cap to Axie Infinity, and that would give the ILV token an estimated value of $12,290 for one Illuvium token, which is a 16.8x, which is a phenomenal return of investment, if you ask me. If you wanted to, for example, if you just wanted to go ahead and buy one full ILV token for $731, getting $12,290, that's a really awesome profit to get. You could buy like 3 ILV tokens for under 3K, and then give it 1 year, you'd have enough money to get a mortgage for a house. So that's this is the world we live in. Great times, right? So I mean, look, I'm not here to advise you what to do with your money. I'm just saying, like, these are the opportunities that are out there, and I'm just comparing ILV to Axie Infinity. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not suggesting you should do it personally, but this is what I'm doing. And you can follow me on my social medias. I'm very, very transparent about when I buy things, when I sell things. And I have a Telegram group as well about when I'm buying early before these videos are released to YouTube, and when I'm going to sell them. Feel free to copy me, but I don't advise you to do it. I just, I'm just doing it, and I'm just showing you guys what's going on in the world, bringing these things to your attention. So personally, I do believe once this game is out, that this is going to have for example, if you want to play the game, you're going to have to buy the ILV tokens, and if you want this to play the game, you need to buy the ILV. So therefore, the circulation, the tokens go. The supply gets less and less, and the price will just keep growing and growing and growing and the game isn't even out yet. You know, keep that in mind. The game is not even out yet, and we've already gone from $73 since April 2021. Yeah. And it's currently trading at $732. And it's October. Yeah, that's a massive growth. The game is not even out yet. So if the game is not even out yet, and this is the price action currently, come on. When the game is out, this is going to shoot up like crazy. I mean, personally, I think that the 12,000 this year, I think that is really, there's a bearish estimation. I think it's going to go a lot higher. I don't expect this to hit 12. I do believe this could go to 30. This could go to 30,000. Because I do believe that the game itself, I mean, if I'm not have nothing against Axie Infinity, right? It's great. It did its thing. But if you compare this trailer and you compare this gameplay to Axie Infinity, and you want to tell me that this one doesn't like appeal to more people, come on. This looks awesome. This is incredible. This is like, the graphics are incredible. The gameplay is amazing. The whole thing looks great. Axie Infinity is just like crypto kitties on steroids. It just, you know, I couldn't really justify playing this. I mean, I have a girlfriend and she even like looks and like, what is this? What is this Axie's game? What is this stuff? You know, but Illuvium looks cool. Anyway, that's my opinion. So if you want to buy this, go over and head and get yourself to Binance, buy it. And, you know, if you want to earn a passive income, just go to the staking pool and stake it, give it 1 year, take your profits, and just enjoy your life. That's all I've got for you. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you managed to get through to the end, and please like, share, and leave a constructive comment underneath the video, and feel free to leave any suggestions to any other games, especially ones that are related to cryptocurrency. I don't want to hear games like Tetris or Mario's and stuff. I just want to hear anything that's related to play to earn. Please leave them in the comments section below, and maybe I'll make a video to go over what my opinion is on these ones. That's all I've got for you. Thanks. Peace out. Have a good day.